In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple Shopify stores on one account. If you manage different brands, sell to different regions, or want to separate product lines, running multiple stores under the same account can keep everything organized while giving you full control over each storefront. Start by signing into your Shopify account. Once you're in the admin, look to the top right corner and click your store name. From that menu, select All Stores. This takes you to a central dashboard where every store tied to your account is listed. To add a new one, click Create Store. You'll be prompted to enter details for the new store. Begin with a store name. Pick something descriptive that makes it easy to recognize at a glance, especially if you'll be managing several stores. Many people include the brand or region in the name to avoid confusion later. Next, set your domain preferences. Shopify will give your store a default myshopify.com address. Choose a clean, memorable URL that aligns with the brand. If you plan to use a custom domain, don't worry, you can connect it after the store is created. The goal here is to create a sensible starting point so links and test orders are easy to manage during setup. Then add your business information. This typically includes your business name and address, and it helps Shopify configure basics like taxes, shipping origins, and billing. Accuracy matters here, so take a moment to review what you enter. It saves time when you start accepting orders. Complete the setup process to land in your new store's admin. From there, you can customize themes, add products, install apps, and adjust policies just as you would in any other Shopify store. Remember, each store operates independently. That means separate themes, separate apps and settings, and no automatic sharing of products or inventory between stores unless you use tools designed for that. Every store also has its own subscription plan and billing. Be mindful of your budget and select a plan that matches each store's goals. You can scale plans up or down later as your needs change. To switch between stores at any time, return to that top right menu, click your store name, and choose All Stores. You'll see your list again, and you can jump into any store by clicking its name. Clear, consistent naming helps you switch quickly without second guessing which store you're opening. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.